everyone, back with another new recipe, a creamy chicken and red pesto hot dish, and it serves 4 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of the boneless, skinless chicken tenders, a bag of the frozen riced cauliflower, a bag of the shirataki spaghetti noodles, cream cheese, and then olive oil for cooking, a small jar 6.7 ounces of the red pesto, Parmesan cheese, a bag of the plain pork rinds. For seasoning, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder. You'll need red crushed pepper and cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning. And then you'll need a fry pan with cover and spatula, a small cake pan, and a strainer. Now let's preheat the oven to 350. And while that's heating, let's cook up our chicken on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of the olive oil and turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. Throw in your chicken. And then we're going to add over it heavily pink salt, light pepper, light garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, and Italian seasoning. Cover this and let cook. Now let's heat up our riced cauliflower in the microwave. Mine takes 6 minutes. And when your chicken's ready, go ahead and flip them and repeat the process for the seasoning. And go ahead and cover that again and let continue to cook. While that's cooking, let's get our noodles rinsed up under cold water in a strainer. And you'll see I use my hands. Do it for at least 3 minutes under cold water so you get all of that smell off of it. Everybody complains they don't like the taste. Get the smell off, you'll love them. And then use a kitchen scissors to cut them up since they're so long, the noodles. When your chicken is done, cut it up in bite-sized pieces. Now let's start the process. In a bowl, dump your noodles in a bowl, and then your cooked or heated riced cauliflower, a half pack of the Philadelphia cream cheese or any cream cheese, the 6.7 ounces of the red pesto, and then just add into this Italian seasoning, onion and garlic powder, and the cayenne pepper. Give it a good stir, and then add in your cut up chicken breast, and give it another good stir. And then pour it into your small cake pan. Then crush up your pork rinds with a can, but put a little hole in the bag. Crush it up till it's powder form, and take 1 cup and pour it over the top of your hot dish. And then now just add red crushed pepper and cayenne pepper. This is going to be spicy, you guys. Set it into the oven and cook for 10 minutes. When it's done, go ahead and pull it out and get ready to serve up. Like I said, this is 4 servings. I've got 2 of the servings right here, and I added over that Parmesan cheese. That's optional. And again, if you don't like it hot, do not add the cayenne or the red crushed pepper. And there it is. And this was absolutely delicious. At 5 net carbs a plate, you can't go wrong. Definitely give this one a try. My husband really loved it. He said it had such a bite to it. It was very spicy. So leave out the spice if you don't like it spicy. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.